Okay, we're going to use the nCr and the nPr formulas, so that you have on your formula sheet. Okay, so the first example, 8p3. Okay, so let's pretend a real life example would be if you'd had 8 people and 3 spots or 3 chairs. So how many different ways could you put those 8 people into 3 chairs? Okay, so the formula again is n factorial over n minus r factorial. So that'd be 8 factorial over 5 factorial. So when we expand this, 8, 7, 6, 5, etc. And you can understand that the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 cancels the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you get 8 times 7 times 6, which is 336 ways. Okay, so on your calculator, typing this in, you can go 8, and then you see over top of the 6, second function p, 3, and you get 336. So if we think about this, and here's your chairs, 3 chairs, you would have 8 people to choose from, and then on the second chair you'd have 7 choices, and then 6 choices. And that's the other way to think about it. Okay, so why don't we try another one. 10p2, so this is 10 factorial over 8 factorial, and so we understand 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, etc., 8 times 7, etc., that we get those to cancel, and you will get 90. Okay, combinations. Okay, so the formula, let's go 10c3. So the formula is n factorial over n minus r factorial, r factorial. Okay, so we have 10 factorial over 7 factorial, 3 factorial. So 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial. And these 7 factorials will cancel. And let me see here. I can reduce the 3, that 3, and I can reduce this 2 with an 8. So I get 120. Okay, what if I go 20c4 over 17 times 19? Can you figure that out? Okay, so 20c4 would be 20 factorial over 16 factorial, 4 factorial, and then we're times lean by a 17 and a 19. Okay, so 20 becomes factorial becomes 20 times 19 times 18 times 17 times 16 factorial. And 4 we have to expand out. Okay, so now I have the 16 factorials cancel, 17, 19, and what do we want to reduce here? This is 6, so let's take that 6 out, and 6 out of that is 3. Take a 4 out, and you end up with 15.